yo, welcome back to the channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we were headed to a UNUM Jeep Club meet and greet, and which was all put together by our friends Miss Rebel and Michael. So appreciate y'all for that. And we were headed to Old Town Spring to the Our House. What is it called? Our House Throwback Candy Shack. That's what it's called. So we're headed there right now, man. So as soon as we get there, we'll get back with y'all. But there's gonna be a Jeep contest. There's gonna be I believe karaoke. There's gonna be all kinds of stuff, man. Meet and greet, like I said. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Let's go.
Lot on my chest, lot on my neck, lot on my mind. I'm on my grind.
Awesome. Okay, so we're ready to announce the winners. We have 3 categories and then an all-around favorite. So for best theme, we have Todd Bacon, and it was the I believe that was the Army Jeep.
Woo! All right, Mr. Todd.
That's Kevin Bacon's brother.
Kevin Bacon's brother.
Right here.
Kevin Bacon's
You have one person that got your name.
Oh, he gets a trophy also.
And you get a trophy.
I almost forgot because I'm crazy.
Hell yeah.
And we love
Right
the
on.
Jeep because
There you
it
go.
definitely goes with the nostalgic theme at our house.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a wonderful match.
It's the best trophy I've
And we need you to come back for the next time because you never know and pods will get bigger.
Yes.
We might get like a
1949.
Okay, for the best small crawl,
That's the other one in the shop.
we have Myra.
Woo!
Very nice.
Mine's shinier.
Here's your prize and your trophy, and we thank you for participating.
Let me see.
See you
Woohoo!
next time.
Good job, babe.
So we have off-road.
Okay, for off-road,
Almost.
we have Michael Clemens.
Yeah!
Very cool, very cool. Thank you for your
Let me see that. Let me see.
And the overall.
Hell yeah.
Look at that
Hell
big
And you
yeah.
have the overall. The overall is a gecko.
Woohoo!
Gecko got overall.
Yeah!
So you get a cash prize and a trophy, and you also get the Our House Throwback Candy Shack basket, which includes a growler with a 50%
The
fill,
most important part of this, right?
and a bottle of wine and a lot of other goodies in
So you
there.
guys
Congratulations.
and oh, he's throwing money around.
Oh,
Be
man.
careful with that because
The basket's a little flimsy, but can we get a picture?
Oh, yeah.
Right here. All right.
All right.
All right, you're the winner of the game. Careful, the basket's a little flimsy and there's all.
Once again, thanks everybody for coming out. We appreciate you all, and we hope you come back for the next time because we will have different categories and different judges and everything else.
Right on.
Thank you.
Can I say something?
Congratulations.
Hey everyone. I want to thank everybody for coming out. Me and my cousin Mark is the one who started the UNUM Riders, well, the Jeep Club. We also have a Riders Motorcycle Club. I'm just glad that everyone showed up, and I know it's hot, but I'm glad that y'all decided to come. And I wanted to thank Rebel.
Woohoo!
She did all this for us. She didn't even ask for help, and she did an amazing job. So all your hard work, thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And the Candy Shack.
Oh, and the Candy Shack for hosting.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
That one's cool. Look at that. Pink. Yeah.
Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it.
Park over here on that side.
I'm worth it.
All right, Kim, folks, after we left that event over at the Our House Candy Shack, Our House Throwback Candy Shack, we ended up coming over here to District 249 where they were having another meet and greet. So let's see what they got here. All right, Kim, so this event is just now starting. So we're going to go hang out, man. And like I said earlier, I appreciate y'all joining us. So much love, much respect. Knuckles out.